Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have the new iPhone 14 here. So we're gonna give this thing a try and open it up. Let me go get. So let's check this thing out, see how it is. Just got delivered today. This is what it looks like. Nice box. And then here's this. And see, there it is. And you peel off the little sticker there. Peel off the sticker here, so I guess there's no plastic around it. I'm trying to save the environment a little bit, I guess, but these boxes are huge. And ta-da! This is what it looks like. So let's check it out. So this is what it is here. You can see it's got huge cameras here. And then here is the screen. And so we'll get it started here. We'll turn it on, I guess by pushing the button on the side like normal. Yep, and here it is starting up. And we can see also inside the box comes with something that fell down. It's the little instruction paper. Let's see what's in there. A Apple sticker. You always get an Apple sticker for me to throw away. And I guess some little information here. And it comes with a charging wire. So it is still lightning. It's lightning to USB-C, but doesn't come with the little plug for the wall. So you have to have your own USB-C plug. So here it is now. We've got it opened up. And let's see, here we go. We'll set it up and we hit English. And so this is kind of what it looks like. You can get an idea of it. And this is the purple color. It's hard to see compared to the other phone, but it does have a bigger camera thing. If you look at that, it's huge on there. But also what I got a couple of different cases to try out. So I got this case, got like 3 different cases, but we'll see which one we like the best. So this one here is, I'll put links to all these too so you guys can check them out. This is like a rubbery kind of bluish kind of color. So that would fit in there like that, which, ooh, I like that one. That one feels really nice. And then I got, oops, that one. I got this one here, which is just a clear TPU version. So we'll check out what that looks like. So that looks like this. So if I take that off of there, so I guess it really wouldn't matter what color phone I got with this case, because it'll make it any color that. This one here will actually show off the color of the phone. Fits pretty good too. So it's kind of nice, and it has a little inset wedge so you can put it down. And then I got this fancy one here. This one here comes with like 2 parts. It's got a screen protector and a case. So we'll open it up here and let's see what we got. So this is these are the screen protectors and how to put them on. I'll put one of those on in a different video, I guess. And then this is the case. Let's see what this one is like. Yeah, this is the black leather case. So it's kind of cool looking too. Let's check out how that looks. And it looks like they all kind of come with an extra little bump out you see for the camera. This one has a little one too. So they all can fit the camera so they can keep the camera from getting scratched, I guess, if you put it down this way. This leather one seems to be the tightest fit. But it's got a really nice feel to it. Boy, I don't know which one I want to use. But I'll figure it out soon. But this is the iPhone 14. And I'll be setting it up here just now. And so hopefully it'll all work good. So thanks for watching, and you get to see it opened up, and you get to see a few different cases, and the cases are different from the 14 for the 13, so you have to get new cases. But that's it. So thanks for watching, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks, bye.